This is how you draw pretty eyes. First, you cross out the face. Then you draw out almond shapes to shape the eye. Then after that, you add your lash line. This is done using the Sketch Pencil HB. Then add the iris and the pupil, making sure that the top part is a lot darker and more shaded than the bottom part. Put a double eyelid if that's your vibe. Then go to your calligraphy brushes and use the script brush. It generally comes on Procreate. It's kind of a preset. Then overline that sketch. Make sure that the lashes are a lot thicker than the bottom part of the eyes, or as I'd call it, the bottom lash line. Add your nose. Color the white part of the eyes grey. Select an iris color, we're going with green. Make the pupil dark green. Make the top of the iris dark. It gives the eye a bit of depth and shadows. Color the iris lighter as you move down towards the bottom of the eye. Add white reflections in the form of circles, stars, dots, you name it, just do it. What you do to one side, you do on the other. It's like maths. Add smidgets of split complementary colors. In the case of green, it would be blue and pink. Add smidgets of the colors. You still want your eyes to be green, you just want the other colors to act as accents so that the eyes will pop. I added a yellow reflection. I wanted the eyes to pop even more. Overlay the eye with navy. This gives the drawing more depth. And there you have it, your cute eyes. Like, comment, and subscribe so that you get more videos like these. Tell me what you want to learn next. Bye.